Morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from at this hour. Today is the 5th of October 2021, and this morning I'm going to be showing you how I use my tweezer top or tweezer bottom, inverted hammer, and a PSA line to open a trade. So this chart I'm going to be analyzing with you guys this morning is a chart that we had already analyzed and sent out on our Instagram page and Facebook page. You can visit and see when it was posted, the date it was posted, the time it was posted, because what we do is we don't analyze the chart that has already happened. What we do is I analyze the chart and give my buyer, detail my chart and say, okay, this is what I expect. I'm expecting from this peak. This is what I'm expecting from this peak based on this pattern that I just saw. And then we send it out on our social media page for record purpose. You can visit our social media page and see when it was posted, the date it was posted, and the time it was posted. So we send it out and then we come back to analyze and see if it actually played out. Because like I say, most of the decision we're making in the market is based on probability. The reason why my probability might be stronger than yours is because I'm able to use previous data merged with current data, and I'm still open and waiting for any data that might become available at any time that might cripple my previous analysis so that I can adjust. That's what the bias analysis is there for. So this morning I'm just going to be showing you the chart and then you can learn from it. So let's go now, join me now, let's go to the screen and let's get to work. Welcome back to our analysis for today. So like I said, this is the chart we will be analyzing, one of the charts. So before we go now into this chart, let's first of all go and let me just quickly show, because I told you guys that it was posted on our Instagram page. This was the US oil, right? Yeah, it was posted on September 20th, 2001. September 20th, you can see it there, or you can visit our Instagram page to see when it was posted. So if we go now, we can zoom in. This is the scan that was posted. If you can zoom in now, you see what I said. This was what I spotted, my inverted hammer. It was confirmed on a daily time frame. There was an inverted hammer at this spot, because this chart is on a daily time frame. Then if you see what I started monitoring, I did my back testing down to 2018. That was why I told you that the reason why my bias and my probability might be stronger than yours is because I'm able to take from the previous data and use with the current data, and then I'm still open for any data that might become available. So if we spot at this level, we've seen that this area has been respected until April of 2020. April of 2020, and when I went, I saw that there was an outlier at this level that violated this level, and then we saw a breakthrough. It was due to fundamentals that happened in the market. So there was I was waiting, I was trying to see, because I do a lot of analysis. If I spot an outlier on the chart, I try to go back to see if there was an event that actually happened during that period. So there was an outlier at this level, and it was due to COVID-19 and the pandemic that actually happened in the market, that affected the market, and the oil price has suffered. So this was an outlier. But if we see from this level where my mask also is right now, we saw that it has respected this level since 20 what 20 so 2018. Yes, so we saw it respected this level. It was a support zone, and we spotted another support zone here. Then we now saw a fall due to the fundamentals are creating. This was already, once I spot a chart like this and there's a violation of a support zone, it becomes an outlier. Then what I do, I try to investigate the outlier in that chart to balance my analysis. I don't want to use emotion to I don't want to go into a chart, take a peek without proper knowledge of what actually occurred. So if I spot an outlier in any chart, I try and investigate the outlier. And once the outlier is validated, then I can continue. So this outlier at this level, when we saw it fall down to this level, was actually validated. It was due to the pandemic. So now we saw it acted, then we saw a bounce here, and then we saw a rejection, and this level it started at what's it called, a resistance at this level, where it has already acted as support in the past, and then it's acting as resistance. That's not signal to us that we are going to see a breakthrough soon, whereby we'll see a pullback to actually also respect this level that it has used as resistance in the past, when it was trying to break out from this outlier that we spotted in the past. So if you see, we saw a breakout, and then it acted as resistance one, and then came back, a little pullback, then it broke out. Then now we saw again, it's acting as resistance again at this level, and then we saw a pullback. That signal to us that we are going to have a breakout very soon. So the next try that it did, we actually saw a breakout from this level to see a continuation, and then where my bias I saw, because there we saw a pullback a little bit, and then we saw a continuation respecting this level that I drew. This is not the live market scan. We're going to go now into the live market scan. I just want to quickly analyze it. Yeah, this was the chart that was sent out on our Instagram page. The reason why I'm not able to zoom out or zoom in on the Instagram page, but you can visit our Instagram page. It was posted on September 20th, 2021. But on our email, this is the email I sent to them to edit before we post it out on our Instagram page. So we now saw a continuation from this level. Now, if I had opened a trade at this level, if I had analyzed the trade at this level, I would have waited for a pullback to this level to actually enter the market. But no way. I'm just going to start the analysis from here. So this was what gave my bias a strong, that was what made my bias, gave me my bias to open the trade at this level that we'll get to very soon. So we now saw a continuation down, go, and then we saw a little pullback. Then we saw a continuation. Then we now spotted an inverted hammer at this level where I drew my cross, signaling that I spotted an inverted hammer at this level. Then we saw a fall to respect this level again, and then we saw a continuation, and this was where I spotted the market. That was where our entry came about. So what I said on this chart was a long position above 66.40 calls for a further uptrend with targets at 73.98 and 77.17 in extension, pending a pullback. So we did a pending order. I was expecting the market to do a pullback to this level, to respect this level where it has acted as resistance in the past. So to activate our entry, then continuation to go ATP. So now if we go now to the live market scan now to see what actually played out. This now is the live market scan. Let me just, I don't know if you can, as you can see, the market is ongoing. The market now is trading at 77.79, whereby I said we're expecting a continue. We already hit the TP, but we're just going to 77.17. So This now is the live market scan. This is the inverted hammer I spotted at this level that signaled a fall, and the fall was confirmed to respect this level. And this piercing line gave me my bias for a buy position. That yes, we are having a buy position and we are going to break out from this level, because there was an inverted hammer at this level spotted before, and it respected this level of support in the past, acted as resistance in the past, and then this inverted hammer became a strong bias, and we spotted it for. I started following the market at this level, and that also has to do with patience in the market. Like I always say, have patience with the market. You can check and follow a peak until the pattern you're looking for builds up and is confirmed. So I was following the peak. So I spotted an inverted hammer, and it confirmed the fall, which I said the inverted hammer confirmed the fall. So we saw a fall. So on the daily time, remind you, so we saw a fall to this level to 61.43. So then we now saw at this level now, what now gave me my bias to go on this peak was we now spotted a piercing line to say, okay, we are done with this bearish trend. We now are embarking on a bullish trend. So we spotted a bullish trend, respected this level struggle, and broke out on the second try. First try, it went down, and on the second try, it broke out, and this was where our chart. This was when we analyzed the chart. Let me just quickly go back. I don't want this video to be that long, so maybe we can do this now, and on our next video we can do check if we still have time. So if you can see this candle here, this was when the chart was posted out at this level, which is this candle here, this bullish a bearish candle. This was when the chart was centered. If you go back now, you can see this there was a bullish candle and a bearish candle and then bearish candle. So we're waiting for a pullback. So now we now saw this candlestick here, this bullish candle activated our entry. So what actually happened now, we now saw a pullback, activate our entry at this level where my mouse cursor is now, at this level here. Then we now saw a continuation to go actually hit RTP1, hit RTP2, which I said was 77.17 in extension. So we actually hit RTP1, which was 73.98, and also 77.17 in extension. So this was one of the peak that we sent out. So this is a live market now. You see, I posted it. We don't analyze chart that has already been done. I follow a chart and I know what I'm looking for in a chart. And once I spot the pattern that I'm looking for, once it builds, then I'm able to open a trade. So now this was what gave me my bias here was what? The inverted hammer that I spotted before and saw it fall, and then we saw the support at this level, respecting this level, and then at this level, it didn't just respect it. If you see here, there was a piercing line at this level in the past. Here where my mouse cursor is now. Let me just, there was a piercing line at this level in the past, that's at the support zone, and then we now spotted a bullish trend, and then we saw a pullback continuation, and then we now saw a continuation downside. This one wanted to form a piercing line, but it was invalidated. Then the inverted hammer at this level signaled a fall, so we now saw a bearish trend downside, and it's on a 1 hour on a daily time frame. So at this level again, we now spotted another what? Piercing line. So what does that signify? Judging from the analysis that I've said right from 2018, what does this now signify at this piercing line? It now gave us the bias that we are seeing a bullish trend now to go actually respect this level again or we can break out of this level. Now, if we spot any pattern that builds up here that says we are going to create another high, then we might open another trade. But for now, we are out of the market. We have already hit our target. So this is how I use my inverted hammer and a piercing line to confirm, and also doing back testing, proper back testing. This was this is what I said. This was an outlier that was validated. If there was no reason, if I spotted that there was no reason for this outlier, I couldn't validate this outlier at this level, then I would have been skeptical of this peak going into this peak. But this outlier at this level that we saw validated this level now signal that it was 2020 April where I went back and I saw that, yeah, the pandemic, and there was an issue with the oil and all that, with OPEC and all that, and that signaled that for investors were skeptical. So this is what the how I spot my inverted hammer and a piercing line. So the other one now is, I'm not sure if I still have time. I don't want this video to be so the other one now was this one, the Australia dollar USD. Okay, what we'll do now is this. We just did this this now. Tomorrow we're going to analyze this other peak. So let's leave it here now for today. So by tomorrow we analyze how I spot my tweezer top and order. So have a lovely day, and I'll speak to you soon. I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye for now.